The year of injury has claimed another one, this time being Team Honda HRC rider Chase Hymas with a left knee ACL tear. As of June 27th, it has been surgically repaired, and from the news report I'm seeing from Team Honda HRC news report, it did say that he said that he was okay to ride, but being 18 years old, as young as he is, he's smart at this point to just get it repaired, not race a whole season on it and get, risk further injury or further damage or whatever. It does suck because this means he will miss the remainder of the 2023 season. And, with all the 450 guys being out, the 250 class was the one to watch. But, hopefully he does just get it fixed or has it fixed, heals up well, heals up, smartly, doesn't try to overwork it, and comes back, next year for Supercross and does good. But comments below, you tell me. I don't know, whatever you want to say. Do you like churros? Something. How do you think this year is going to go? Are you going to any races? Whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.